Arm signals. More tips to help you pass the driving test. Arm signals are rarely used today, but it is important to know what they mean because drivers of vintage vehicles use these signs, and also you might get asked a question on the theory test. Use the comments section below to leave any questions about the video. So let's take a look at what the signals mean. I intend to move right or turn right. I intend to turn left. I intend to turn left or move left. I intend to slow down or stop. So let's see what the arm signals look like. I intend to turn right or move right. I intend to slow down or stop. I intend to turn left or move left. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell, and we'll let you know when new videos arrive.